Hey guys, it's Jeff and I wanted to show you this product. This is the Fuze card and it's branded as a smart card simply because it can hold your entire wallet made up of like 10 cards all in one card. So let's take a look at exactly what this thing can do. So as I said, this is a smart card, so what we're going to do today is load all of our credit cards onto this one card along with our membership cards. But first, let's take a look at exactly what else we receive in box other than this card. So opening the box here, you can see that we do get a manual here and it has a QR code. So in the case that you kind of lose this or anything like that, you can always find a manual online and you won't have to carry this around with you, because trust me, I had some issues to begin with and all I had to do was just read the manual. So the other two things that we receive in box is this charger here. This card is not battery free. It does have a battery and you charge it via these pins here. So obviously you have a screen, it has buttons. This does have a battery inside, so you will need to charge it from time to time. So how you charge it is basically you slot that into the card there, and then it has a micro USB on the other side here in which you can plug in to a power device. And then you go ahead and slot that in and it is now charging. Now this does take about like 15 to 20 minutes to charge, but if you put it in like at nighttime, it will charge pretty quickly. And then when you're done, you can of course just slot that out and then you're all good. The other thing that we get in box is a card reader, and this is very vital to what we're going to be doing today, and that is loading our cards onto this card. So you will need both of these items and then of course a phone to operate. So let's get started with loading all of our cards onto this one card here. So one thing to note is we obviously don't have an audio jack, so you will need to take the adapter that you got with your iPhone 10 or any other iPhone that you may have that only has a lightning port, and then plug that into this, and then we'll take that and plug that into our lightning port here. And now we are all set to go with getting our cards swiped and onto our phone. So now we are all set to go and getting our cards onto this one card. So what you'll need to do is get the app, and that will be found in the instructions. You can find that on the App Store, and go ahead and turn on your card. There will be a pairing process, and I'm not going to go through that here just because of security reasons. It shows basically some information that would allow anyone to access my card. So I'm not going to do that setup process here. I've already set it up and I've already gotten cards on here. But what we are actually going to do is add a card that we haven't done so yet. So I have 2 Visa cards on here and some membership cards. So what I'm going to do is add this Costco card here. So we can use the mag stripe, and that will be found here. We can also use the barcode that is found here, or we can manually input like the member number and everything like that. So what we're going to do is use the mag stripe because that's the easiest thing to do. So we can go ahead and put this card down because it's already connected to the phone. And all we have to do is click the mag stripe there and then go ahead and swipe through. And it found it there. So there is our card number, barcode, and then we're going to enter our card name, which is Costco. Click done and complete, and it's all set to go. And now you can go ahead and see that it just loaded our Costco card onto our card here, and we are all set to go. So guys, that was just a quick tutorial on how the Fuze card works and a quick demonstration. If you want to know more information about development, security, and release dates, you can always check the link that I'll have linked in the description below. Thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.